100? Assetto?
Oh wow, for Suzuki slowed down, for God's sake.
Just let move. Okay, fine, focus.
If you crash, I swear.
Mario, just for reference, I apologize.
Bro, which one of fucking god, bro? Someone just rammed into the back.
Massive burnout for GT3.
How much time do you spend in the mold?
What?
I am black. I can say what I want.
You do have a weird pass, alright? You don't.
I'm lagging X fuck once.
Are we going? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, apparently, yeah, I think.
I see people going, so.
I mean, Gustav started, but...
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Go follow the leader.
Go fuck around the pussy, guys. I'm driving a slow GT4.
Okay, wow, it sucks not being the fastest car here. Wow, that really sucks.
How about we
What
go
car?
left this time?
Sure.
Go left.
The M5 took that a little bit too seriously.
Never mind, go right, go right. Go
What?
right, right.
What, Nicholas? Yes.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Seriously.
Fine. See, I went left, and you're right. What the fuck, Gustav?
There's 5 people who didn't do it, so.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, they're too late, Gustav. Maybe next time.
Well, half of the people landed the voice.
Oh yeah, true.
Did you go left or straight?
Straight.
Okay, cause I'm gonna join again. Gustav, why didn't you add a Suzuki for Mr. Suzuki?
Yeah, why did you get Suzuki, man?
It's Swift.
Yeah, why didn't you add my first one? But dude, that's not bro.
Who
Not
asked?
the sport. You can get the comfort, okay? That's all we can do. That will be when you sit in it. That's okay.
Fuck you! I'm just driving the full focus RS now.
Yeah, papi.
Sí,
Sí, señor. ¿Cómo estás, el palpito ya?
Are we going speed? Slow down, everyone. Slow down. Slow down.
I'm going slow, bro. 130 miles an hour.
That's oh god. What? Nah, that's nowhere near slow.
I'm usually
Okay.
doing 500 miles an hour here, so yeah, it is.
Not at all.
Okay. 100? Assetto?
Oh wow, for Suzuki slowed down, for God's sake.
Just let move. Okay, fine, focus.
If you crash, I swear.
Mario, just for reference, I apologize.
Bro, which one of fucking god, bro? Someone just rammed into the back of me and fucking just caused like a whole pile of back here.
Nah. Oh shit! Sorry, sprayed though!
Oh my fucking crash.
Oh my god, Ferrari.
Oh my fucking
It's
god.
horrifying. By the way, how hard is it to put the new tires on a
That
car?
was
Like, to mod the new tire?
Oh sheesh. Now? So you want me to? You want us to wait? What's your request, my good friend? Oh my god.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ska vi ta speed?
Sorry, I braked. This is why we blocking their lane. Just for reference.
Racing.
No, you're not.
Here we are.
Okay. Alright.
That has not gone well.
Hunk if you are horny. Gonna make your pussy wet.
Get out there.
We can't. I don't think anyone other than me heard that. And
Chitamuda Love Charms would like to send you a message to a messenger. No, I don't think so.
Stop typing all those guys.
Yeah.
Wants to get like maybe Rayman, please.
The hard singles like near your area. Mario, what are you doing? Slow down. No, I'm just going speedy. Oh wow, he's still on it. Oh wow. Oh, Lambo crash. Oh. See, I think I cannot spell.
We
Sorry.
should wait because they have to kick it.
Yeah.
Crash.
And everyone, wait.
I think they're on another Discord.
Don't get near the McLaren. He's very laggy. Beware.
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm inside, but I didn't see you.
I mean,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. I was just surprised.
I didn't see you.
I am coming for the booty.
Nah, it's dead. No, it's not funny. It's immature.
Did you ban the Kentucky Habibi guy? Or did he just leave? Okay.
Who's doing that? And now, if you do that again, I'm gonna crash into your car. Alright?
I'm not doing anything.
You are. Yeah,
left
stop
the air as
lying
well.
to me, alright? I can tell. Yeah, that's
What?
you again.
No.
Alright, that's it, I'm coming. Okay, what?
You're a dirty boy.
Oh yeah.
He's coming.
What? I'm coming.
Let's
I'm
swap it.
coming for you.
Damn, boy!
Come hard and wet.
Holy shit, this M4 is fast.
That's a thick ass boy.
Wait, where is he?
Knock knock.
Oh no. Yeah, though.
Who's there?
Fucking M. Oh, dude, Alex, you're so dangerous there, bro.
How?
I mean,
Was it
I
D5?
like if I don't go fully safe and go into the middle lane, you're dead and I'm dead, you know.
Nah, it's fine. I'm okay.
Okay.
Guys, come to bits.
No, you are you spamming sound pads. Come on, you screw yourself. Lol. I'm driving no-handed.
Nicholas,
Oh
let
yeah.
me get that slipstream.
Huh?
Auto.
Let me get your
Autopilot.
slipstream.
All right. Is there slipstream in this game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool.
Gas.
We're gonna run out of road here.
It's definitely working, I can tell.
This would be like.
Is that the M4, Gustav?
No, I'm free.
That's what.
Oh, okay. I lifted.
The gearing is so weird. Now.
What?
The gearing is so
Jesus
weird.
gonna crash.
Oh my god.
What?
Fire.
This is
Massive ass!
Weaving.
be proud. There's some smart ass thought it was a good idea to rear end everyone. It made me flip over.
Oh, I edited that. That's mine. You took it. Left.
Burger.
What are you doing?
Ah, my.
We are gathered here today.
Nicholas,
Step on cold.
Yes.
is your R7 juice?
I don't know. I downloaded the
man.
latest version recently, so
I just want to raise you.
yeah. I mean, I have it. I have whatever the server default is.
He's the man. Do you like this man?
Marketings.
I was in the USA, in San Francisco, once, and the waiter asked what our name was, and one of my friends told her that his name was Tizeman, and that's penis on Danish.
Damn boy, he's back.
Why is this so slippery? That must be.
Marco, do you like the sound?
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Oh wow. Oh.
Nice.
Oh my. Who is driving those materials?
Oh my god. Oh, I survived. Strix Goldsberg. Come on, Gustav, should we go to?
Yeah, we are going towards pits now. We're no longer
Yeah, we're
heading away from it.
Oh, bruh. Please someone click him. Sorry, watch series.
That guy is dead, did you know?
Oh shit. Sorry.
Okay,
No, why?
Okay, after the point, man.
enough.
So Viper wants to help the baby fox find his mom.
What the hell, man? What the hell? My childhood is ruined.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Oh shit.
All right.
I just touched.
I see.
Yeah.
I didn't know the RS7 was like, if you touch the wall, you're going airborne and you're never gonna land. Like,
Jack, where do we go next?
Where do we go?
No, it's not. Hang on, people, move out.
bruh.
Oh, bruh. Already.
Nice. That went smoothly.
Where?
Very smooth. Oh my.
Oh
What
my
the
god,
fuck?
what are you
What
doing?
was that?
Fuck you. Oh wow. Suzuki. Oh my god. What the?
Sorry, I can't see shit.
Oh, great.
Gustav,
I
fuck
gotta
off.
reload.
Thank you.
So much for that.
Just there.
Do you see anything, Nicholas?
I mean, kinda not, but I think I can manage. Is this the high beams or the normal light?
Yeah, my high beams on red.
Yeah, it's wild.
Do you have to map your high beams? Like, how do you get those on? Cause like on some cars, I think I just have my my regular lights like map, but it's dim as shit. Like you can't see anything.
You have to bind high beams in settings. Sorry.
Yeah, I got kicked for such a my connection issue, so I'm relogging now.
I'm driving